From the deepest cosmic shadows, a new eye awakens. NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, our next-generation sentinel, is poised to unravel the universe's most profound enigmas. With infrared vision 100 times sharper and a field of view vastly superior to Hubble, Roman will peer into the invisible, seeking the elusive dark energy and dark matter that sculpt our reality. The countdown has begun. Targeted for liftoff on August 30th aboard a mighty SpaceX Falcon Heavy from Florida's historic Launch Complex 39A, Roman embarks on a million-mile journey to the Sun-Earth Lagrange point L2. This strategic vantage point will allow it an unobstructed view, promising a decade of groundbreaking discoveries, from mapping billions of galaxies to characterizing alien worlds. Meanwhile, millions of miles away on the crimson plains of Mars, another silent observer continues its tireless work. NASA's Perseverance rover, using its Mastcam-Z, recently captured a mesmerizing transit of Phobos, one of Mars's peculiar moons, silhouetted against the distant sun. These fleeting celestial dances offer vital clues, helping scientists track Phobos's changing orbit, a slow, inevitable spiral towards its fiery demise into the red planet. Back closer to home, high above our blue planet, human ingenuity and courage are on full display. Astronauts Anil Menon and Sophie Adenauer bravely ventured outside the International Space Station in a critical spacewalk. Their mission: to replace a vital space-to-ground antenna, restoring high-speed communication links. A testament to humanity's persistent presence and maintenance of our orbital outpost, where every bolt and wire is a lifeline. But sometimes, our understanding of the cosmos itself needs a reevaluation. 20 years ago, on August 24, 2006, the scientific community made a decision that sparked global debate: Pluto's reclassification. No longer the ninth planet, it was redefined as a dwarf planet. This wasn't a demotion, but a necessary evolution, born from the discovery of countless similar worlds in the distant Kuiper Belt. The new definition of a planet, requiring it to have cleared its neighborhood, meant Pluto, with its orbital path crossed by other bodies, no longer fit. Yet, this reclassification was a triumph. It broadened our perspective, highlighting the incredible diversity of our solar system, from planets to these time capsule dwarf worlds, whose pristine compositions offer clues to the early universe. It prevented an unwieldy list of potentially hundreds of planets, ensuring clarity and deeper scientific focus. And let there be no doubt, Pluto's wonder remains undiminished. The bright, heart-shaped plain of Sputnik Planitia, its towering ice mountains, the ethereal blue haze, and its geologically active surface, all revealed by New Horizons, are no less spectacular because it is a dwarf planet. Pluto stands as a majestic sentinel, a king among dwarf worlds, forever at the forefront of our minds, reminding us that beauty and scientific intrigue transcend mere categorization. From the grand quest for dark energy to the subtle dance of Martian moons, the vital work of astronauts, and the redefinition of our cosmic neighborhood, the universe continues to reveal its secrets. Every mission, every observation, every reevaluation pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, inviting us to look up, wonder, and listen to the eternal whispers of space radio. The journey of discovery is endless,